Good morning. Today we are doing a section replacement with some cables, I believe. I'm actually in my apartment right now, about to leave. I live closer to the distribution center, so I'm gonna pick that up, go back to the shop, get some stuff, and then go to the job. So I will be bringing you with me today. So I will see you guys at the distribution center. Alrighty, so I am pulling into the distribution center right now. So I'm gonna pick up the section, put it on top of the truck, and then I can make my way back to the shop, get some things, and I should be taking off for the job, I believe. So hopefully everything goes smoothly up until then. I will get this section loaded, and like I said, I'll be on my way. So I have gotten all loaded up with this one section. So I am ready to get going. So just got back to the shop. So all I need from today, shop's a little messy. I grabbed some springs because there's a spring job afterwards. So that's just a little sneak peek of maybe what the next video is, who knows. And then just grabbing these so I can put the section on something. I have also a ladder I grabbed, so just gonna throw these in there so I can do this job. Alrighty, well, I will see you on the job site. I am pulling up to the house that I will be replacing the section on. Alrighty, so that middle door is the one we're going to be replacing. That middle section. I'll be replacing the cables. Yeah, so I'm going to go talk to the customer and then I will get to work. First things first is I'm going to set these up, the sawhorses. Look at those. Got some nice automobiles. All right. So now I gotta take this section off. So that is gonna be fun. Hopefully it is not too heavy, and if it is, I'll still have to carry it. Everything looks in order. You just gotta get this up. Yeah, that's pretty heavy, but it's fine, I got it. Alrighty, so we got the section. The cardboard does not make carrying this section easy, but we got it. That was heavy. And there was only one in there. I need to go to the gym more. I do go to the gym, so I don't know what I'm talking about. So out of the box, right? Everything looks good. Yeah, I think out of the box it's good. I'm gonna flip it around, or flip it over. I believe we are good to proceed. This guy has some nice covers. Look at those. It is the perk of doing this job is this is not the first time I've seen a nice house with nice cars. One time we were working and there was, I don't know why he left it in there, but there was just a Ferrari sitting in the garage while we were working. So I mean, it was like a 2-car and then a single, so it was sitting in the single and we were working on a 2-car. Bringing the door down. And it is game time. It is game time. That's probably better if I move that. Oh, it is dark in here. I need some light. Awesome. That was perfect. Yeah, we just started doing this, well, I did. This, recording thing.
What's the point of it?
And the idea is that if we're able to put our stuff up online and they can watch us do our work, then they can trust us to do a good job for them as well. So what'll end up happening is I'll drop everything down. I'm gonna back wind the spring so there's not gonna be any tension on the door.
Right, I see.
That's why I have it vice gripped up like that.
Yeah.
And then I'll replace the bottom section and the cables at the same time.
Yeah. Did you hear how this happened?
I did not.
Oh, it's goofy. I'm pulling in so that, you know, in the driveway.
Uh-huh.
I pushed the button to open the garage door.
Okay.
My wife is backing her car out.
Oh, and then it goes down. Boom. Back in the day, when they were doing stuff, I mean, they weren't the brightest. I need to take some more tension off of that. Yep, take these off. Some of these rollers are like, so
That's
you
curious.
you can tell a roller is bad
Yeah.
because of how much it shakes.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure these are probably all old, and I also don't want to put my fingers anywhere.
No, I know, but I'm thinking, God, I can't remember. The doors were all replaced, but I'm sure they didn't replace this hardware.
Oh, they should have. If they didn't replace it, I mean, but everything comes with.
The doors aren't that old, so I mean, those rollers are a lot older than those doors.
If they didn't replace the rollers, I mean,
You know, and this door goes up like 3 or 4 times a day. What would it take to replace the rollers? I mean, so there's 5
There's
on this
10.
side. And, huh?
there's 10 altogether.
On the door.
Yeah.
Do it.
Okay.
If you have them on the truck.
Yeah, I think I should have them in here.
Oh, they got nylon.
Yeah, they got nylon, so they're quieter.
Yeah, I get that.
But yep, boom, like that. And you can see how much little play these have compared to the other ones.
But then I have to replace them once a year.
No. Oh no, it should be good. I hope. Come on. Here we go. Alrighty, we are about to set the door. Where did I put that vice grip? Okie dokie. So now we got the new section in, old section out. Put the cables back on. Gonna make sure everything's on. Everything is on. We're good. Perfect. Everything looks good. Obviously it's a little dirty, so. I believe everything should be good. Door-wise, oh, butter. Butter. I believe we are good. I'm just gonna replace all the rollers, pack up the truck, wipe the door down, and then I'll be done with this job. Alrighty, we finished that job up. We got everything done. Customer's happy with the door, so that is what matters most. I appreciate everybody watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.